you are a mummy's boy, don't get married. If your mom tells you what to do and what not to do, and you're still suckling milk, don't get married until you are grown up. Marriage is a responsibility. You take a woman into this affair, you take care of her. You become her rock. She depends entirely upon you after Allah Azza wa Jal. If you fail to do this, you're sinful at the sight of Allah.
Everything that happens in your life is part of a plan that Allah has chosen for you. It's a test for you and for others around you, depending on what exactly you're going through. Someone is hurting you, harming you, swearing you, abusing you. The test is for you, how you're going to react, and the test is for them, why they are doing that, and when it will stop and how it will stop, or whether they will wait for the punishment of Allah to overtake them, and so on. So the test is on all sides. Many times in life we fail to progress because we are stuck in the past. And this is not only true when it comes to our own faults and our own sins, but even with others. At times it is in the best of your interests to let go of something that looks like you cannot let it go. But in order for you to progress, you must let it go. Don't stress. If today is wrong, tomorrow will be right. And if today is right, something might go wrong according to you tomorrow. According to Allah, it did not go wrong. It was His plan for you and for me. Wallahi, only Allah knows. Only Allah knows. You can plan, Allah can let the plan go ahead. But you can plan, Allah can change the plan. You can think, Allah knows, and He is the only one who knows what will happen tomorrow. So develop your relation with Allah. Plan good things. When you plan to do your salah, Allah will reward you with the intention, innamal a'malu bin niyyat. Allah Almighty is in charge. He is in control. Why am I saying this? Because in the world today, we are going through very difficult time. Anywhere you go in the world, anywhere you go, they have different types of challenges. Some worse than others. No matter who you marry, there will be sacrifice that is required. You need to be patient. You need to work on your spouse. You need to sacrifice, and you need to invest in your relationship. Otherwise, it's not going to help. Invest in it. You might see and reap fruits after 2 years, 5 years. Don't just give up because a few minutes went wrong. The first few months went slightly rocky. No. You don't just give up. You work on it. You invest.